Hey guys, so one of the questions we were getting about the custom camera shape tutorial was how to turn any shape into a green screen. So first, what I'd recommend doing is downloading Krita. It's a free to use program. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can take a look at it. It's very similar to Photoshop. Once you download Krita, go ahead and start a new file. Over here on the right, you've got your layers. You can go ahead and get rid of, just press the eyeball here so that you don't see the background anymore. Pick the PNG that you have and go ahead and drag and drop it into the file. It'll ask you what you'd want to do, just insert as new layer. If you press Ctrl T on the keyboard, you can edit the file. Hold Shift and grab the corner to scale it to whatever size you need. I have this at 1080 by 1920, so we'll just try to fit that in as best as I can. Just to kind of fill up as much space as I can. Press enter when you're done. Now over here where you've got your PNG file, you want to click this little square with the couple of squares in it, so that will alpha lock your channel so you can't color outside of the PNG. Make sure you choose on the color wheel this nice bright green. On this side there's a little brush. Go ahead and click on the brush. Max out your brush size and just click and drag until you fill up the entire picture. And that's it. If you press Ctrl Shift Save on the keyboard, you'll bring up this nice little box. Save it wherever you want to save it. Make sure you save it as a PNG file. We'll call it Green Cloud. You save that, it'll give you this little box, press OK. And that's it. You will have a nice bright green PNG. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below, and we will see you next time.